Motorcycle compare insurance. The company well defines insurance against the loss or damage, vehicles and accidents. Motorcycle compare insurance cover accident extends many fire extends expose self or lighting forest burning house break of theft right structures manual accidents flood hail wind close throw phones well others of natural Wets road line in waterway left layabouts three third parts the company well defines insurance the events against con- closed by out for use the motorcycle against all same includes continuous express which the insurance shall become available to pay reports of death body damage reports then reports belonging to the insurance the the company will pay continuous express with the Bright's continuous quick link calculator primary calculator make your own policy Riven online FAQs skills question continues what is motor insurance what is document replies for buying insurance policy what is the buying processor